Does brand identity really matter? This is a question that often pops up in the business world. Many would argue that a strong brand identity is as vital to a company's success as the quality of its products or services. A brand is not just about a catchy logo or tagline. It's a complete package that communicates the essence of a business, its values, and its promise to the customers. Consider the case of the multinational corporation Apple Inc. Back in the late 90s, Apple was struggling. They were close to bankruptcy, their products were seen as inferior, and they lacked a clear brand identity. Enter Steve Jobs. Jobs realized that for Apple to succeed, it needed more than just good products. It needed a strong, coherent, and compelling brand identity. The first step in this transformation was creating a brand style guide. A brand style guide, for those unfamiliar, is a document that outlines the visual and verbal components of a company's brand. This includes everything from the logo and color palette to the tone of voice and typography. For Apple, the style guide established a clean, minimalist design and a focus on innovation and user-friendliness. But creating a style guide is just the beginning. The real challenge is integrating this brand identity across various platforms. This means that every piece of communication, whether it's a TV commercial, a website, a product packaging, or a customer service interaction, reflects the brand's identity consistently. When Apple launched the Think Different campaign, it was a clear example of brand identity integration. The campaign didn't just sell computers, it sold a lifestyle, a mindset. It positioned Apple as a company for the creative, the innovative, the rule breakers. And it did this not just through TV ads, but through every touchpoint with its customers. But a brand identity is not something static. It needs to be both consistent and adaptable. Consistency ensures that the brand is immediately recognizable, while adaptability allows it to evolve with the market and maintain its relevance. Apple, once seen as a rebel, has successfully transitioned into a luxury brand without losing its core identity of innovation and superior user experience. This balancing act between consistency and adaptability is crucial in maintaining a strong brand identity. To sum it up, the importance of a strong brand identity cannot be overstated. It starts with a comprehensive brand style guide that outlines the visual and verbal components of a brand. This identity then needs to be integrated across various platforms to ensure a consistent brand experience. Finally, while consistency is key, a brand needs to be adaptable to stay relevant in an ever-changing market. So, does brand identity really matter? Just ask Apple.